you can connect a Bluetooth streaming device to output audio through the IA40-3 amplifier. First, make sure you have your Bluetooth antenna installed. You'll need to pair a remote control to start the Bluetooth pairing process. Using your paired remote control, press and hold the mute button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks white. On your device, select IA40-3. Bluetooth devices will take priority over any wired connection when streaming audio. When you stop or pause music on Bluetooth, the wired connection will resume playback.